Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen Knorr. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 Knorr ramen packet, about 2 cups of water, and any toppings you love. Make sure you have a small saucepan ready on your stove. Begin by carefully opening your ramen packet. Separate the dried noodles from the seasoning sachet, keeping them both handy for the next steps. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get cooking. Pour 2 cups of water into your saucepan and bring it to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once the water is bubbling, carefully add the Knorr ramen noodles. Let them cook for about 3 minutes, or until they are tender to your liking. Next, stir in the entire contents of the seasoning sachet. Mix it well until the powder is completely dissolved, creating a rich and aromatic broth. To truly elevate your Knorr ramen, consider adding some delicious toppings. A perfectly soft-boiled egg, some freshly sliced green onions, or even a bit of cooked chicken or tofu can make a huge difference. For an extra layer of flavor, a dash of soy sauce or a few drops of sesame oil works wonders. If you prefer a creamier broth, try stirring in a tablespoon of butter or a splash of milk right before serving. Your delicious Knorr ramen is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the hot ramen, including all the flavorful broth and tender noodles, into your favorite serving bowl. Don't forget to arrange your chosen garnishes on top for that perfect finishing touch. Serve it immediately while it's hot and fresh for the best taste experience. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.